So concrete is the second most used material in the world after water. And as such, our concrete infrastructure is very important to us, but it undergoes deterioration with time, and therefore the damage that creates and the deterioration that creates causes a significant problem for the society as a whole. The aim of the ResConcrete, which is the Resilient Structures and Construction Materials, is to really address the challenges associated with the huge impact our construction materials have. The research highlights of the group are the Resilient Materials for Life programme grant, the numerical modelling work we conduct as part of the group, we have our resilient structures and our new Duralab facility.
As an expert of seismic vulnerability, I look at countries that are particularly vulnerable to earthquakes. In developing countries, very often there is a lack of awareness of the hazard. They usually don't think about how they can lose their life and how hazard can impact on their houses. So actually what we try to do with our research is actually to try to make aware how important is to build a safer house, a resilient house, and a sustainable house. The impact of our work on the society is really, really important. So, and the transferring of knowledge is done through trainings, updating building codes, and try to create this bridge between research, academics, and then the local communities.
So the Resilient Materials for Life grant is really concerned with developing biomimetic construction materials that will self-repair, will self-diagnose, will self-heal, will self-immunise damage as it occurs during its lifetime. And in the long term, what that does is means that you're not going to get your structure degrading in a similar sort of way, in a similar speed as if you just had a crack there by itself.
So I'm Riccardo Maddalena, I'm a lecturer in civil engineering and also the lab manager of our concrete lab and the Duralab. So the concrete lab is a massive laboratory, massive space for our students and research to prepare samples, concrete samples, or any kind of other construction materials. The Duralab is a durability and characterization lab. Labor di Goedernach en Cymraeg is the first facility in Wales and one of the few in the UK where you can simulate hundreds of years of deterioration that usually happen in the field in a matter of weeks or months. And then this is coupled with other machines that are able to see that degradation mechanism at the nanoscale and microscale. And why is that important? It's because we are able then to design a material that withstand such environmental conditions and will last much longer.
I think what we've done in ResCom is really bring together experimentalists, people that have experience of industry, and numerical modelers so that we can develop these technologies for the future from every aspect. So at Cardiff University, we are developing models for biomimetic materials. People will start designing with those materials in the next 5 to 10 years. They will need tools to optimize the materials, to design the structures from them. And we're developing those models for the future biomimetic materials here now in Cardiff University.